There's a revolution happening right now. Not on the streets, not on the news every day, not with loud announcements. It's happening quietly inside offices, laptops, workflows, and decisions. Most people won't notice it immediately, but a few years from now, they will look back and say, that's when everything changed. This video is not about panic, it's not about hype, it's about understanding what's actually happening to the world of work and how you can stay ahead of it. For decades, work followed a simple formula. You learned a role, you repeated the role, you got better at the role, and your value increased over time, right? Stability came from routine, experience came from repetition, growth came from years. The system rewarded consistency, loyalty, time spent. If you stayed in one field long enough, you were considered secure. But that system depended on one assumption that the world would change slowly. That assumption is no longer true. Before AI even became mainstream, work had only started speeding up. New software launched every year, new platforms replaced old ones. Entire industries reshaped in less than a decade. The real change wasn't technology, it was speed. Skills expired faster, tools updated faster, market demands evolved faster, and suddenly the most valuable people weren't the ones who knew the most, but the ones who could adapt the fastest. Then AI entered the picture, not as a robot, not as a replacement, but as an accelerator. AI didn't create disruption, it multiplied it. Tasks that took hours started taking minutes. Drafts that took days started taking moments. Research that required teams could now be done solo. But here's a key truth: AI didn't remove human work, it compressed time. And when time compresses, expectations rise. This created a new divide in the workforce. Not between technical and non technical, not between creative and corporate, but between two mindsets. Group 1: labor thinkers. They ask, how much work do I need to do? Group 2: leverage thinkers. They ask, how can I design a system that does this faster? Labor thinkers trade time, leverage thinkers multiply output. AI doesn't favor effort, it favors builders. This is where AI agents become important. Most people think AI is a chatbot, something you ask questions to, but AI agents are different. An AI agent doesn't just answer, it understands a goal, breaks it into steps, uses tools, executes tasks, reviews results, improves over time. Instead of saying write a report, you can say collect data, analyze trends, generate insights, and send the final summary. And the system handles the workflow. This changes something fundamental. Human moves from doing tasks to designing processes. Let's look at how this changes real careers. A marketer stops manually creating content and starts designing AI-powered campaign systems. A recruiter stops screening resumes and starts optimizing hiring pipelines. A founder stops micromanaging operations and starts building scalable automated teams. A student stops memorizing information and starts building real world AI projects. A freelancer stops selling hours and starts selling automated solutions. Work doesn't disappear, low leverage work does. The biggest transformation isn't technical, it's psychological. People move from thinking I can complete tasks to thinking I design systems that complete tasks. They stop asking how hard should I work and start asking how much impact can I create. This creates a new professional identity. System thinker, workflow designer, automation strategist, AI augmented professional. These people don't compete on effort, they compete on leverage, clarity, and speed. The people who struggle in this transition aren't less intelligent, they simply wait too long. Overthink the learning curve, assume it's not for them. Stick to familiar routines, not because they can't learn, but because comfort feels safer than change. I understand you. The gap isn't talent. The gap is willingness to adapt early. The future of work isn't competing with AI. It's about becoming the person who knows how to use it. Not by becoming an engineer, not by mastering complex math, but by understanding how AI systems work, how AI agents execute goals, how to build workflows that save time and multiply value. If you want to learn Python and AI agents in a practical, beginner friendly, real world way, we are running a masterclass designed exactly for that. No heavy theory, no technical overwhelm, just skills that helps you stay relevant, valuable, and ahead. But the question isn't, will AI change work? It already has. The real question is, will you change with it?